Now let's discuss about the 100% stack column chart, wherein we want to capture the percentage of contributions. So this type of chart is actually an extension of the stack column chart, wherein it compares the percentage that each value contributes to a total. So for example, if you want to show the percentage contributions for the northern sales over here and the southern sales over the last 5 years, for example, then this chart is perfect for this purpose. So you could see here in our chart, right, for the year 2010, for example, we have the northern part over here on how big the contribution is, right, towards 100%. And then we have the southern portion over here, which is way smaller, because you can see over here it's 55,000 compared to 20,000, right? And then the same pattern applies to the rest of the years. So it's a really cool way to visually see on how the contributions are going over the past 5 years. It's been fluctuating. You could use it to say check a trend or maybe see what pattern is happening over here. Okay, so to be able to add this is our final output, right? So let's just delete this. Just delete the chart, and then first things first, select the table that we want to create our chart on, and wanting to take note of is the very first column, right, for the year. Just make sure first that this is a text, convert this to text, right? Because if it's not a text, it's going to be using this numerical value and then use it in the computation, or include it in the computation with the northern sales and the south sales as well, right? So one way that we can do to make it treated as a text is add an apostrophe in front of the number, right? So this is what happened to the rest of the years, right? So this issue won't happen when we're trying to create our chart. So let's go to insert, recommended charts, right? Let's just go to all charts, look for under the column, and then let's look for the 100% stack column. So you can see over here, 100%, right? And let's have a quick look. This is what we're after. We want to have a look on the 5 years, 2010 until 2014. If we have a look at the second one, it's actually just a comparison between north and south, right? But this is not what we're after. Let's hover over the first one and go OK. And let's just make this bigger, right? And we don't really need the title, so you just click on it and then delete the title. And we just go again to chart tools, design, and just check different design if we prefer. And we have our 100% stack column chart ready.